Okay, the first thing I need to do is completely change this. It hurts my eyes looking at this. So preferences. Maybe I should download or buy some themes. What do I have? I have black and white. Black and white. Oh, hurts. It hurts so much. The worst thing is I used to love black and white. I used to like, for me, having a white background meant, I don't know, cleanness. It meant order. It meant solace. But now I prefer black backgrounds. I don't know. Maybe it just destroyed my eyes too much. So before we continue, let me just solarize Tango. What's this? Ah, so these are the color. Okay. So what do I have here? I have multiple things. I can do foreground, background, green on black. This looks nice, but the green is a bit too hard on the eyes. What about this? This is even worse. Come on, come on, come on, come on. White on black. White on black. Orange on black. This was the previous one that I didn't like as much. Groove box dark. I already had this one. It's too plain. There's nothing popping. Maybe the colors. No, this one is especially dim. What about the Linux? There's nothing to pop here. I want it to be solarized dark. Oh, this is actually not bad. Let me just change the palette. Show Builtin online. Xterm. Why is there no option to preview the changes? Yeah, there's no. This looks like vomit. Group box dark. Too plain. I want something to pop. Solarized. Too plain. Ambience. There. Give me something hard, bro. Give me something that hits. Eric's VT. I don't know. Let me go back to this. I think, was this the one that worked? No. Solarized dark. I don't know, let's do this. If it hurts, I can always change it. Amazing. I spent 3 minutes trying to set up the colors for this. Okay. Yeah, I need to change it. It's bad. Sorry. Colors. Black on light yellow. Actually, this is not bad. It hurts my eyes, but it's not bad. Maybe just change this. Actually, it hurts my eyes too much. I can't watch this. Maybe if it was inverse. Black on white, gray on black, green on black, white on black, orange on black, white on black. This looks nice. Yeah, this looks nice. I can use this for at least this session. So let's start. So I'll just do a quick review of the latest things we did, and then we'll continue building the macros that we are missing. So basically, in the last episode, we started adding quoted expressions, and what quoted expressions are pieces of grammar that are left exactly as they are. They are mostly used to store and manipulate other Lisp values, such as numbers, symbols, or other S expressions themselves. So what we did is the following. I just need to change the colors again. I'm sorry. This. I can see the text here properly, so I just want to. I like white on black. I just want to see. This is actually nice. It has a sharp distinction between white and black, and then green on black. Ooh, I like this. I like this. It pops. So let me just change the. Let me just change the theme. Tango. I like this. Let's do it like this. So let's continue working on the Q expressions. So what we added here is this. It has the same structure as. Can I increase the brightness of it? Huh? Yeah, I can. So what it does is it has the same structure as the S expression, but it uses these curly braces here. We also added the Q expression reference to the language constructor. So basically, we are just using the Q expressions to create the language itself. And we also cleared it down here. So we just set up a new type inside our grammar. Next thing, what we did. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, so this one looks a bit better. That one was also too sharp. So what we did here is the following. We added a new type of type Q expression. Then we added a new constructor right here for the Q expression Lisp value type. Next, we also printed it somewhere. Where is the print definition? It's here. We just printed it, nothing special. And we also where's the delete? Where's the delete? Next. Where's the definition of delete? Where are you, bro? Where's delete? Here it is. So when deleting the Q expression is reusing the same logic as the S expression. So what we did now is we enabled the project here to be able to read Q expressions. So what happens now, I think we can just do it here. Q expressions, so we can write something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should work. Or 1, 2, These are all examples from the book. So this should be ignored, right? Yeah, this will be ignored. Here. What happens now is that we enabled the program to read Q expressions, but in a sense, they are still useless. So we need a way to manipulate them. So what we did is we created and defined some built-in operators to work on the Q expression type. And the list of those are no, can I search? I can. Do I have a list here? Yeah, this is the list. We have the list method, which will take one or more arguments and it will return a new Q expression containing the arguments. We have head, which will return the Q expression with only the first element. We have tail, which will return the Q expression with the first element removed. We have join, which will join multiple Q expressions. We have eval, which will take a Q expression and evaluate it as if it were an S expression. And what we did additionally as well is here we added new functions which will also act as symbols here. So we have them defined here. Where's the head? Here's the head. We actually initially had if blocks that sorry. So we actually had if blocks that checked for error assertions, but then we used macros in order to make this a bit clearer, to make it more readable. So what we did is we used a macro. So a macro is a preprocessor statement, and it creates reusable snippets of code, function-like snippets that are evaluated before the program is compiled. And if we go all the way to the top, here we actually have one macro that we defined. So I was, when I was initially building this, I was as confused as anyone as how macros work, and the truth is I still don't I understand what they are. I understand how they work, but I don't understand how they fit in the whole C ecosystem. They work by taking some arguments. Okay. The arguments can be almost anything. You copy and paste them into some given pattern. We used, to define a macro, we used, oops. Oh, I have multiple of these. Let me just remove them. So we use the define preprocessor directive. Then we write the name of the macro, like here. And we have the arguments in the parentheses. So we created a new macro that is helping us with our error conditions, and it's called lassert. It takes 3 arguments. It takes the args, the condition, and the error. And using this, we actually changed how our methods are written. So what do we have here? I think this is where we stopped in the last episode. It's built-in head and built-in tail. Where are you? Where are you? Ah, here it is. That's it. So now what we'll do is I think we need to create like a lookup table that based on the symbol that it counters, it will call the correct method. So let's do this right now. Lol built-in. What am I taking? I'm taking a Lisp value. I'm taking an array of characters. I'm taking a string. So now I'm comparing the string. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. String is like this. Compare list function. If it is a list, what should you do? Return lval built-in list. So not lval, it's just built-in list. Where are you? Built-in list of A. Nice. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need 4 of these. If we counter next what head, we are calling the head. Let me just, I forgot how to do something in here. Oops. I already searched for GIMP how to vertically center element. I use this for my, I'm gonna remove this. So here it is. In Vim, how to select 2 instances of a word and replace them. Okay, let's see. Let's see what my good friend ChatGPT spews out. Only 2 instances. You can use a combination. Use substitute. Oh yeah, I forgot. It goes like this. Okay, gets it. Okay. I'm here. I want to replace in the whole file. How to search only inside. Okay. Oh, fuck me. I like this command, but I would like for it to be restricted only between some lines of code. How can I do this? Yeah, of course I can specify a range. Yeah, it's like this. Between lines. Okay, so what do I need? Fuck me. What line am I in? 319. So it's gonna be 319 S head. I already have head here. Okay, let's make 320 S list. What am I gonna replace it with? Tail. Yes, yes. Okay, simple. Let's replace the list with join. Yes, yes. Let's replace the next instance of with eval. Yes and yes. We'll have another one here. And this one will be for all of these, but this won't be a string compare, this will be a substring. Wow. Wow. Okay. Bless me. So this will be a substring. And what I will return, I won't return this, I will return built-in OP, A, and a function. We need to clean this. I already learned this. Always, always, always. Garbage collect, clean everything. Return. Everything else fails, something's broken. Right. So, in order to enable fully the Q expressions, what do we need to do? You must be fucking kidding me. Eval, eval, S expression, it's here. It's here. That's the only one I need. So instead of having the built-in operator, we are just calling this here. I'm gonna delete F, but I don't need to do this. I think we already did this here. Oh, let's also delete it as well here. So what should happen now? Let's compile and run this. Built-in eval. Where are you? Where are you? Built-in eval. So where is this? I have an error saying in the function built-in eval. Incompatible types when returning type LWL, but LWL was expected. Return LWL error. So this must be, the error must be caused all the way up here, right? Is it here? Return LWL error. But why doesn't it work? It should be working. If condition. Another error. And at 285. Where's 285? It's here. 285. What was the issue? Too many arguments. It's here. Why is this not working? Incompatible. No, this is the one. An expression of macro Lisp assert. So it's here. No, it's the same thing here. So these are, I think, creating the same issue here. And the rest of them, we'll take a look at them. Let me just try to find what's happened here. Incompatible types when returning type LWL, but LWLs. Is this maybe here? Error? Why is only this one that's problematic? The rest of them seem fine. Too many arguments. There you are. There you are. Let's do this again. Need to save it. And then let's do this again. Why do I have a feeling I have more issues now than I did just a minute ago? In function, implicit declaration of function built-in. What? I think built-in should. I think built-in. The reason why I get this error is because built-in should be. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this error mean? Can this happen because the method is below where while the initiator method is above where the original method is defined. Okay, C, blow my mind. Implicit declaration of indicates that the C compiler encountered. Where the fuck are you? A call to a function named built-in, which doesn't have a declaration for at the point where the function is being used. This warning can point to several potential issues. In C, when you call a function, the compiler needs to know about the function's return type, the number and type of its parameters. At the point of the call, if the function declaration or prototype isn't available before it's used, the compiler issues a warning about an implicit declaration. By default, if the C compiler encounters a function call without a prior declaration of definition, assume that the function returns an int. one of the possible solutions, and it seems that this is the one that I also suggested might cause the issue. So we should reorganize our code. We should rearrange your code so that the function definition of built-in appears before any calls to it. This is often less desirable than maintaining good header files, especially for larger projects where functions are used across multiple files. Yeah, I should do this. I mean, I will also most probably start exporting my methods into different files and maintain good export and modulation practices, but for now, it is what it is. 318, 328, it's 10. So 10, delete, not 10, 11, delete. And I should put this guy all the way above here. Where? Here. Here. Paste. Let's move it here. Actually, I need to save this. Then I'm moving here. Let me clear this. Oh, I need to move all of these guys above. Or maybe, why don't I move you below? How many? 193. What's this? So it's 60, it's 26. So 27, delete. Delete this. And I should paste this right above our main here. Here. Save this. Clear. Okay. But again, I have an implicit declaration of this shit. Where's this? 194. Okay, let's move this guy as well. So 1, 2, it's 5. 193, 197, it's 5. 5, delete. Let me paste it below. I definitely need to maintain a good modulation practice, but I don't have time for this, right? I mean, I have, maybe not now. Clear now. Oh, you must be fucking kidding me. So what do I have here? This is the line 2, 6. I hate. I mean, I don't hate C. I just hate this. I don't have typos. This was the issue. I had to rearrange my code. I hate it so. If you declare your function at the top of your file, actually I could do this, assuming it returns void and takes no parameters. Right? Huh. Where are you? You are here. 268. So is join build? Yeah, it is. I should move join above, right? Okay. Can I paste it here? I can. Saving it. This guy. Oh, no more errors. I mean, these are still warnings, but undefined reference to built-in seems like I haven't compiled the executable properly. Function LLE built-in. So this is the only thing that we have left here. On line 307, where are you? It's here. Implicit declaration of function built-in of this function. So the built-in, where are you? Where is the built-in? Is the regular built-in function? Where is it? Built-in eval, built-in tail. Where is the regular built-in? I think it's above all of these, right? Built-in, built-in. Where are you, man? Built-in OP. Let's search for it. I don't have it. But man, I could swear I... Fuck. What have I done here? Have I deleted it? I think I deleted it. Built-in. It's here. It's here. It's here. Can I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? So it's 11 yanked, and now I just need to redo all of this. In Vim, U is for undo. What is the redo shortcut? Is it R? Is Control R? Control R, 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 all the way here. But now I can paste my built-in, right? Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Why? Why is this so hard? Uh, I have the elbow join here. It should be above. It should be above because first it needs to be defined. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I doing this correctly? Is there any better way to select all of this and just jank it, just remove it? 5, 2, 8, 3. What's that? 7. It's 9. This I'm gonna paste it above. It's gonna work here. It's gonna work here. Yeah, it's working. But here it says implicit declaration function built in. Did you mean, where is this 307? Where the hell is 307? I should move the built-in before the. This is a mess. I mean, it's probably also my fault. Actually, it is my fault. I should have structured the project better, but I didn't know this at the time. I didn't know that C is this weird when it comes to definitions of methods. So what should I do here? I should move all of this above this, right? What do I have here? 318, 318, 328. It's 11, 11, and I should move it here. Paste this. Save. Come on, please, 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 please. Thank you. Thank you. Q expressions. So what do I have here now? I have something that works. List 1, 2, 3, 4. It should turn this into a list, right? Yeah. Head. List 1, 2, 3, 4. What else do I have? Eval. Head. List 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay, okay. I think I understand now. But no, this isn't correct. Right? This isn't right. So I have this. I'm copying this from the book. I just want to test it against the book to see that everything works as it should, but this works. But now I want to evaluate the same thing. Head on the list made of this. This isn't correct. This isn't right. We have a bug here. We have a bug here. So according to the book, the solution of this command should be only one. So where's the issue? Where are you? Where's the list method? Built-in list. list, and then head. I think head is also. Ah, okay, I'm not returning an X here. I should return the evaluation. So what should I return here? I turned my type into an S expression because I'm evaluating it. And now I want to evaluate it using, what should I? Right, so basically I'm providing, let me use this. It's here. So what's happening here? I'm inside. Let me just change the color to something else. Maybe this. So I'm inside built-in underscore UL. So, okay, I passed all the assertions. We passed this. So, what are we doing here? LX is equal to L will take the first element, right? Yes. Changing the type to LS expression, and then I'm returning X, which is not correct. So what I should be returning is an evaluation of X, not X itself, an evaluation of X. So. Let me also just look for another shortcut. I want to know how to, in Linux, what is the shortcut to move windows between two screens? Super shift arrow shift super. What's the super? Is this? Ah, okay, nice. So where's the mistake? Here's the mistake. Insert. L eval X. And what is the L eval doing? Where's it's here. So in case if we have an S expressions, then we are evaluating this. So I think no. I think now if I do the same thing, I want to evaluate head of a list like this. It's 1. Yeah, this is good. Tail. It's only tail, 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 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. But 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1. But if I do eval, it's not a no. It's Why is this not working? Why is this not working? Ah. Seems like I have another issue here on my hands. Seems like I have another issue here. How do I do this? So this works, but this won't work, I think. No, it actually does work. So head is okay. But if I do this, it works. The eval doesn't work. Okay, so we have some issues. And the issues with the eval. It's definitely with the eval, because head works. But what if I do eval head 1, 2, 3, 4? It's 1. But this one doesn't work. Unknown function. It's here. Head, built-in head, built-in join. break. What line is this? 285. Run. I need debugging. So what doesn't work? This specific case in which I'm evaluating ahead plus 1 2 plus 10 20. This is the one. Okay, so what do I have here? I provided a function, print func, its head. This should work. This should definitely work. So help. I don't need help. Maybe I do. Write me the most used GTP commands for traversing the code. I mean, the head works. The head definitely works. So to move through the program line by line or next. Okay, so I should gonna do next. So it's head, built-in head. It's here, 294. Next. Where am I? 320. What's the 320 doing? Built-in. Okay. So what do I have here? 320. What do I have here? Print. No, let's go next. Return result. Print result. Print result type. Print result. Count. Only one should print. Result num. It's 0. What? What's the type of this? Wait. It's 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's Q expression. Okay, next. 3 to 8. Would I continue just for the next? Continue. Okay. Now 285. I'm again here. It's eval. Okay. Okay. Now this is where it gets interesting. Eval. Built in eval. Where the fuck are you? Built in eval. I think the issue is that my eval method is about this method. I think that's the only problem. Actually, it's not. It's not. That's not the problem. Huh. Okay, I'm here. Next. Head. Next, eval. Next. Where am I? What? It's a plus. Handling and printing error messages can be done through... No, I don't want to do this, man. I want to... No, wait. In GDB, how to see the stack trace once the application fails? Not in GDB, in C. I think I need to use a Vanguard or something. What's the name of that command? So what do we have? Eval head. Now it's BT. What? Okay, so is this the one? No, it's not. What's the name of this command? Is it one Vanguard? Valgrind. Okay, Q expressions. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just do this. Code red. There's a bug. Okay, good thing. I want to remember that there's a bug here. Why? Because it's already a bit late. I'm having an early one tomorrow. So what I wanted is to thank you all for watching this episode as well, and see you in the next one. The next one, we're gonna do a review of everything we did. Of course, first we're gonna fix this issue. We're gonna do a review, solve the bonus marks, increase our knowledge of the Q expression, increase my knowledge of the Q expressions. So thank you and see you in the next one. Bye bye.